I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of the Honors Cohort alumni, friends, and supporters for making this program what it is today. It is with your support that we're able to offer incredible experiences to our students. Personally, this program has impacted my life in two different ways. Once, as a student and a member of the 9th cohort, it put my career on a completely different trajectory. It catapulted me into opportunities that I never imagined possible. Now, as the director and leader of this program, I'm able to have the privilege and honor of impacting our current students' lives and seeing them grow as leaders. It is with your support that we're able to make this happen. Thank you.
I wouldn't have had the awesome professional experiences both at the Fisher College of Business and through our trips to Washington, D.C., San Francisco, and our international trip to Brazil this year.
I wouldn't have my full-time job. I think that the program makes you a little bit uncomfortable and puts you in situations that you might not be ready for, but by pushing you out of that comfort zone, it helps you develop into the person you are. So thank you.
I wouldn't have had the opportunity to make such a deep impact in the Columbus community. I had the opportunity to begin working at a local social enterprise because of connections developed during our Impact Challenge.
Ever since I was little, I wanted to be a CEO. And the Honors Cohort program gave me the most realistic experience to being a CEO and taught me how to prepare for it in the future.
I don't think I would have learned how to be a team player. Throughout college, I think I had the chance to be in leadership positions, but Cohort really taught me the beauty of being in a strong team.
In the Honors Cohort program, I've met amazing people and gained an incredible community, and I know this wouldn't have been possible without a world-class onboarding experience where we did non-traditional team building exercises that made our classroom experience far more effective and exciting.
Without Cohort, I wouldn't have met the 29 people in my life that push me and inspire me the most. I've never met a group of college students that set the bar so high, not only for themselves, but also for the people around them.
The Honors Cohort program provided me the confidence and support group necessary to pursue my most challenging service opportunity to date. The support of 29 others gave me the opportunity to volunteer at a suicide hotline here in the Columbus area. I wouldn't have had any of these experiences but for Honors Cohort.
Thank you.
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 Thank you.